Hey, Abdu. Is that a KW on the steering wheel?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, is this our truck?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's our truck.
Yep.
What color? Oh, it's blue. Blue. Oh, look, here's our paperwork. Boom. There's my new truck number, guys. Boom. Look at this. All right, so it's a 2019 KW. It even has the plastic still on the seats. This thing is new. We have not even started this thing up yet. So it has 1,962 miles, 0.9. Start it up. Let's listen to that good old Cummins motor. God, it's hot in here, guys. Alright, so we actually have a low suspension gauge like the Freightliner. That's nice. Yeah. Nice. Nice, guys. So, air horn works. Alright, so I gotta go over to my old truck, get it cleaned out, get my stuff in here, and I'm happy. See ya. Oh, let's look outside. So she's dirty. We'll go get her cleaned. DEF, fuel tanks. Dude, I'm freaking stoked. Hell yeah. 19051 is my new truck. Chrome wheels too. Guys, this is on my phone. I'm thrilled. I have nothing in this truck yet. But welcome to my new truck. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna get this thing ready. We're going back to Texas in style.